what's going on, guys? Welcome back on our third video for today. It's Alex with Finite to Freedom, and we are going to present to you guys the technical analysis for PLTR, quantum computing, and D-Wave. So let's dive in straight away into our main screen, and as you can see, this is PLTR. From what you can see, guys, we're still on the bullish trend, and let's remove these lines here to make it much easier. So as you can see, we have tested the $190.51 as a resistance, and then we pulled back and we're almost close to the $170.93. Now we have this bearish signal, and then this one we can say it's a little bit neutral and bearish, right? Because it's a little bit thicker than the original not neutral. There you go, that's the word, neutral signal. Now here you can see it looks like a tomahawk bearish candle, but I wouldn't take it as much as, you know, like for sure that it is, right? So what I want to say is, if we do retest the $170.93 as a support level, then we can bounce back to $190.51 and then break even above it and then head towards the $200.30 as a resistance. But if we do break below $170.93, I'm anticipating the $160.11, and that would mean that we are covering this space over here, this gap, right? And then we can either go back up, or we can go towards the 144.65 support level. But I think it's more possible to retest the $160.11 and then head back up as we are filling the gap. Now, QUBT, which is quantum computing. Quantum computing closed with a bullish signal, a bullish actually candle, and it did retest the $14.70, but it came back up to and close to $15.32. Now we can actually trend between the level of $14.70 and $16.47, but if we do break above the 16.7 if we do break above the $16.47, apologies about that, I just see loads of numbers here. So if we do break above the resistance, then we are heading towards the $17.34, and then we can actually, if we do break above it, we can head back up to $18.31. This is about quantum computing, really short, but yeah, not a lot of things to discuss about it. Now, D-Wave, QBTS. D-Wave had a really two neutral signals, candles, and we could see that it struggled a little bit above the resistance of $18.88 through the week, and well, it was when it was Tuesday 5th, yeah, between these past 2 weeks, but it came further below to 17.54, so we could see that it did test once again the $18.88, and it closed as neutral below that resistance. And then we did test on Thursday, we test the $17.54 as it was a support level at the time, and head back up. So right now we did close though on Friday, so next day, we did break below the $17.54, and we did close at $17.01. Now, we should, if we do actually retest the $16.23, we could head back up to $17.54, and even if we break above it, then we should head back up to $18.88. But towards all the charts that I've done, I'm always counting the news that we received with this from the summit in Alaska between Vladimir Putin and Donald Trump. So if we do test the $16.23 and we break below it, then we should anticipate the $14.85, and then we could possibly head back up. Now, these are our three technical analysis charts for this video, but another two are on the way for JPQ, Intel, and UNH, and then we are going, apologies guys. So it's QS, which is QuantumScape, it's JPQ and Intel on our next video, and then I'm going to make the fifth video, which is about VU, which is S&P 500 Vanguard, and then UNH, right? And then we're going to have our sixth video about crypto market, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. If anyone wants for Cardano or HBAR or any other, right? Let me know down below the comments, guys, and I will do it, right? You can see actually that we are covering loads of stocks. So I enjoy doing technical analysis because I love math. I love analyzing things, and especially trying to read the charts as possible as I can. And what I mean as possible as I can, it means that I want to be as close as I can to predict what is going to happen. So the market always talks to us, but we have to consider the news as well, because sometimes the market will react with opposite way from the technical analysis, and that's based on the news. So it's kind of like putting emotions and feelings, we've got uncertainty, we've got fear, so everything can affect the market. So if you guys want to subscribe to let us to help us grow as a community, as a family, as a channel, please subscribe, hit the button down below, and hit the bell so you can turn on the notifications and you can be actually informed on our next videos that they are coming on YouTube. Now, if you guys want to also like the video to help us hit 100 likes per video, then YouTube is going to suggest all our videos out there, and more people can be engaged, and they can actually avoid all this noise that people are trying to pass you a message and then make you take wrong decisions, right? I'm not trying to affect you, but I would like to try to help people out there and avoid losing money. So be mindful where you invest, guys. Always have your research done. Find really valuable resources, and the more information you have, the less the risk to lose your money. And it's not me that I'm saying this. Warren Buffett has said it. The risk comes from the information you have. The less information you have, the more risk. The less risk, so it means more research, more information, and so and so and so. I'm not here to make you invest. Maybe some of you do not invest and you just come and see our videos and like the content. Other people might like investing, but avoid the noise out there. I was like that. I was searching on YouTube and I couldn't find valuable videos. and I was watching people saying, "Oh, $1 million Bitcoin." Now we've got another noise: 200,000 and $250,000 Bitcoin. So yeah, don't hear the noise, right? Anything I say is not financial advice at all. I'm just here to present you as 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 much as valuable as I can, the information to pass you, and just that, just do the job. And I'm not here, like, I could go on YouTube and turn around and say, oh, XRP to $50. Loads of people would watch it because it's what we want to hear, right? So I'm not here to present to you guys what you want to hear. That means I'm not here to talk to you and say fake numbers, right? I want to see XRP, for example, at $50, but I'm not gonna come to YouTube and say, oh, I see XRP $50. I can't do that, right? I can't lie, and that's a problem that I have, that I can't lie. So there we go. So again, where is my, yeah, again, here you will see my logo, and you can drag your mouse and see more details about our channel, what we do, and you subscribe. And over here you will see our latest video that is going to be, well, that it has been uploaded. There you go. And over here you will see the playlist, where you can actually click it and see all our videos in a row. So I'm going to leave you guys with all these and move forward to our next video, which is QS, JPQ, and Intel. Until then, take care, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.